Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Timișoara, Romania. Today I'll take a short walk through the city's main square, landmarks and some hidden spots along the way. Come and join me. Let's check out the first square. It's Liberty Square, just around the corner from my hotel. It should be the oldest square in the town, so... And get some breakfast. Temperature is still okay, so but it's getting hotter today. It's about 30 degrees, so check it out. Gotta rectify that. This is the second oldest square. The other one is Union Square, which we're gonna go later. Yeah, I'm gonna walk to this street, it's called Umbrella Street, well, obvious reasons, and we'll takes us to a Union Square, most big and famous square in Timișoara. So in 1998, big revolution here. 1989, big revolution. So it was the first city which was communist free. So check it out. It's always like this, those umbrellas, but just let me know in the comments if those umbrellas are always up here or just for a certain amount of time. So Victory Square, yeah, the symbolic heart of Timișoara. Marked the end of the communism here, with the Metropolitan Orthodox Cathedral, one of the famous landmarks here. Yeah, so this is the most central square here. A lot of shops, a lot of cafes, little park, really nice. So, and of course a lot of classical, historical buildings. And a McDonald's, so yeah. Always good to have in each historical square. Nice, juicy McDonald's. So one thing about this former Eastern European countries, was still Eastern European countries, they all smoke. If you sit outside at a terrace, especially the guys, everybody's smoking. It's still, yeah, socially really accepted here. Probably cheap also. And it's all a mix of really nice old historical buildings like that. And like old communist buildings, the ugly ones, you know, they all coexist here. Look at that building there, that's beautiful. So that was really beautiful inside. So if you visit Timișoara, go into the cathedral. So I left the city center a little bit. Just get away from big squares. Let's just walk around, see where we end up. Yeah, also really interesting, the Timișoara was the first city in 1884 which has electrical street lights. Yeah, I think Paris says it has, but originally it was Timișoara. Yeah, I think Timisoara is one of those cities that's not overcrowded yet by tourism. I mean, it's not like that big like Bucharest or Budapest, you know, with a massive tourist industry. So far, I couldn't detect lots of tourists here, such a few. So this school behind me, this building, was originally a Hungarian high school. But during World War II, it was converted into a girls' German high school from 1941 until 1944. So right in front of me, the oldest square in Timisoara. It's called Union Square. So that church in the middle is the Serbian Orthodox Cathedral, and on the other side is St. George Cathedral. And the house here on the left, the green one with the eyes-looking windows, it's called Brück or Brock House. Just had a lovely Illy coffee. So Francesco Illy, the founder of the ice steam machine, coffee machine, which was predecessor of the espresso machine. He was born here in Timisoara. So how cool is that? So it's getting warmer. Let's see if we can go inside some kind of park. Let's figure out what that is. So it's like noon. It's getting pretty hot now. So we found a park. It's not that big. It's only a small park just in the middle of the city. Just give it a quick tour here. So they're restoring some kind of building here, putting a new modern structure over it. It's probably going to be a museum, or I don't know. Nice here, nice and quiet. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Oh, not finished yet, but so how did I end up in Timisoara? Well, check out my other videos in the description for my train journey from Skagen, Denmark, all the way down to Istanbul. So if you have missed out on that videos, the videos are online and in the description, the links, or on my channel. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up, helps me out. So that was the park. This is a nice looking park. It's called Iulius. So I'm walking towards outside the city center towards a big shopping mall. I think it's the second largest after one in Bucharest. And check it out quick, really quick. Now it's time for a cold beer. sure do love their hot dogs here. So I got one with cheese, jalapenos. Very good. Really lovely down here at the shopping mall and the little area for drinks and food. Let's go back downtown. So guys, almost back downtown. I'm gonna end this video. I really like Timisoara. I never heard it just before I start planning this trip, so it's not overcrowded with tourism. Some really nice areas in the city. Downtown is nice. At the shopping mall, the area was really nice. Yeah, it's still good weather. It's a Saturday, so lots to do for families. Yeah, people are very friendly. They all speak good English. Prices are good. So let me think in the comments, what do you think about Timisoara? Did you ever visit here before? Maybe I'm the only one and didn't visit it yet. So yeah, give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Cheers. Timisoara, Romania.